Hey, this is Prayash Pal, obviously from my beautiful villa. So I'm not in a suit. I am in a more of chill kind of mood. So in this video, we'll talk about how you can create, how can you get an exponential growth in your business. So if I'll be talking about both aspects. If you're just starting out as a business coach or a coach, or you were just doing that for quite a long time, like couple of years. So I'll talk about those also. So let's say you are just starting out, and how you can get clients, and you are just doing callings or say sending outreach messages, and you are getting little bit of clients, stuck at 3 to 5k at month, and you want to increase that. And as humans have limitations, you cannot do sales calls 25 hours a day. True. So what I'll recommend you to do is just go ahead and build some systems, right? There are things, some things that you do best, right? Like coaching, nobody can replace that. But the sales calls, the lead generation method, the messagings, and these all things you can outsource. I have a manager who takes care of most of the part, like my lead generation part and all this, and he takes care of that. So what I do is I just get in a call and I just do coaching. That's what I pretty much do. So I just delegated most of my work, so I do only thing which I do best, right? So this is how you can hire somebody who can help you to grow your business. And if you focus more on what you love and what you good at, you'll bring more results, obviously. So if you're a coach who has a team, who has a manager to solve his problems, what you can do is I'll recommend you to build multiple sales channels. For those who are doing that for a long time, I hope you have multiple sales channels. What do I mean by multiple sales channels? Let's say you have organic sales strategies, like how you generate leads and clients from organic, right? Organically, how you'll do from paid ads like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and all those things. These are another channels. So let's say you are writing books and you're getting people through books. You are doing referrals. How you are building multiple channels so that you can get more clients. So the more older coach you are, the more experienced coach you are, the more sales channels you build, or the more your network increases. So how you can use that to increase your business or your coaching business to next level, to and get an exponential growth. So what you can do is you can hire a better coach, who can help you to increase each of those segments, or you can hire separate experts in those fields. Like you can hire an organic marketing specialist, you can hire a better ROI Facebook ads guy who will do Facebook ads for you, you can hire a referral marketing guy, or you can get the referral marketing strategies from me as well. So these are the things you can do. Or let's say you have added multiple channels and you just done tiny, let's say 10% improvement on all these things. Let's say you are doing a webinar sales and you just learned a new technique which helped you increase your sales by webinar sales by 10%, which is phenomenal. So you just add up to all those channels, like say 10%, 10%, and when you gentlemen add up all those things, you just made a 50% increase in your sales, and that's exponential. Gentlemen, you have just gone exponential. You have just so when time is bad, when you have the benefit of adding multiple channels to your sales cycle is the sales is, if time goes bad and one channel doesn't work, you have other 4, or you have other all those things, and a couple of them who doesn't work, your business still goes on. And that's the beauty of it, and you are not putting all your eggs in one basket. Have a team and build systems. That's what matters in the long term.